Hey guys, we are going to estimate to solve division decimal problems. There's a couple strategies we're going to look at here. Let's start with number one. When you estimate an answer, you give its approximate value. Circle the best estimate of 1 and 9/100 divided by 96/100. Well, I know that 1 and 9/100 is pretty close to 1, and 96/100 is pretty close to 1, and 1 divided by 1 equals, you got it, oops, 1. Moving on, compatible numbers are numbers that are easy to compute with mentally. Okay, so these are like our math facts. So when we circle the expression that contains a pair of compatible numbers, we're looking for a math fact. 68 divided by 7, I'm going to have a remainder. 35 divided by 9, going to have a remainder. But 48 divided by 6, do we know what that equals? You are correct, it equals 8. So those are our compatible numbers. Okay, also when we're estimating, you can use rounding. Rounding results in a number close to the original number. Rounded to the nearest whole number, 46 4/10 rounded to the nearest whole number is 46. 53 8/10 rounded to the nearest whole number, which would be right there. You look next door. If it's 5 or more, let it soar. So what would be our nearest whole number? You are correct. It is 54. All right, nearest 10. This time we're looking at the tens place. Look at the ones place next door to see how you should round. 12 3/10. Rounded to the nearest 10 is, you said it, it's 10. All right, let's see how we can use this vocabulary to continue solving problems. All right, here we go. Why isn't it moving? All right. Here we go. Use compatible numbers to estimate 43 divided by 7 3/10. All right, so if we're going to use compatible numbers, we want to think about our facts. I already have mine in my head. 43 is pretty close to 42, and 42 divided by 7 is 6. So 43 divided by 7 3/10 is about 6. We use compatible numbers there. Since we didn't round, they were compatible numbers. But now in our next example, we are going to round to the nearest whole number. This is actually the strategy I prefer to use, but we got to do what we got to do here. All right, so 87 4/10, that rounds to the nearest whole number of 87. Divided by 9 6 6/10, round to the nearest whole number is 10. Oh, look, we're dividing by 10. We remember what we have to do here. We move the decimal point. You got it, one place to the left. So we would get 8 7/10. So 87 4/10 divided by 9 6/10 is about 8 7/10. Good job, guys. Moving right along. Okay. Use rounding to estimate 162 6/10 divided by 4 4/10. Round 162 6/10 to the nearest 10. Okay, I'm running out of time here, so let's see if we can finish this. Okay, 162 6/10 rounded to the nearest 10 is 160. 160 divided by 4 is 40. So our answer is about 40. All right, try to estimate and complete the problem on the bottom, and we'll see how you do. All right, thanks, guys.